Do you need dent repair, Brevard, North Carolina? I'm John with Asheville Dent Repair, and we have a location right here in Brevard. We're hail damage specialists. I've been repairing hail damage for 24 years. We don't have to paint your car. We don't use Bondo, and we can legally save your deductible. That's right. That means you can get your car repaired absolutely free. And we do a giveaway too with every client where you're going to get some cash back. It's super fun. So let me show you one of the cars we're working on right here. We put this lighting up around the car. It's like putting it under a magnifying glass. It lets us see every minor little detail. And then we take all these different tempered rods and hand tools, and we're slowly massaging the dents from the bottom and actually working that dent out just like it was before it healed. We give a satisfaction guarantee, a lifetime warranty. Over here's a car we just finished. Let me show you it. It's beautiful. It's completely dent-free now. And this car was actually a one-day repair, so you don't have to send it to a body shop for weeks. This will take a little longer because it's more advanced. Take a little more time, but still way less than a body shop repair. And the actual factory paint warranties will still be intact. The factory paint's on this car. It'll have no replaced parts, no Bondo. It's the choice to use, guys, and I've been doing it a long time. So if you got hail damage to your car, all you have to do is just give me a call. You can call me at 828-222-4225. I'm John. Either myself or my wife, Adri, will answer, and we'll be glad to answer all your questions, give you a free estimate, help you deal with your insurance company. So if you got hail damage and you need dent repair in Brevard, just give us a call. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.